Okay, class, today we are working on a lesson called Find a Missing Coordinate Using Slope. And this is the code R5P on IXL. And this particular video goes from a smart score of 0 to 28 before they start to change and get a little bit more difficult. Okay, let's read the question. It says, a line with a slope of -5 passes through the points -5, -7, and -9, comma t. What is the value of t? Okay, so to do this, whenever they give you the slope and they give you points, almost always you have to use the equation of a line. What is our equation of a line? It is y equals mx plus b. Remember, m is always the slope, and b, which is this, is always the y-axis intercept. Y-axis intercept. Okay? That's very important. Now, what we're trying to find in this problem is this particular y value when we're given the slope. So what we're going to do is we are going to use this order pair to solve for that. So we're going to plug some values in. So we know some things. We know the y. We're using -7. We're going to use -7 equals. We know the slope. It says the slope is -5. So I'm going to put a -5 where that m is times the x value, which is -7. Okay? And then we're going to add b. All right? We're trying to solve for b first so that then we can solve for that value. So -5 times -7 is going to be +35 plus b. And then to solve for b, to get b by itself using algebra, we have to do the opposite of the things that are on the same side as b, which means we need to subtract 35 from both sides. This cancels out, leaving b equals -35 plus 7 is -40. Let's see, -42. Okay. Now I know this seems time consuming, but now we need to use the b. Now we know the b is -42. So b is -42. We need that. Okay. B is -42. So now let's figure this out. Y equals mx plus b. We're going to use this order pair to solve for t now, for that y value, because we don't know what y is, what t is y, right? So let's plug in what we know. We don't know y, because that's what we're solving for, so let's just keep that as it is. We know the slope is -5. The x value is -9 now, -9. And we now know the b value, which is -42. We could solve this out. -5 times 9, -9 is +45, because a negative times a negative is positive, minus 42, and 45 minus 42 equals 3. So y equals 3. T is y, so we solved our answer here. We got our answer, so our answer is 3.